Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable the clock icon on your Sony KD-43X TV. To do that, you have to press the wrench button on your remote control. Then once you are in the quick settings menu, you have to open the alarm section. It's located at the very end of your settings list. Go to the sidebar on the left side and select clock display. And here you have three different options. Either turn off the clock display or turn it on with on always option, which will make the clock be present in the top right corner of the screen like all the time, or we can select on every hour, so we just know whenever 1 hour has passed. And so that's basically this selection is up to you, and that's just how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.